One of my favorite tips to brighten the eyes is to create underlighting. Unlike just applying highlighter to the inner corner of your eye, underlighting bounces light from the lower lash line upwards. It works for day to night glam, works for all ages. I love it on mature eyes particularly, but mostly I just love how it creates the illusion of light and reflects back into the eyes, making even tired eyes glow. And this look is even easier because we're only using one matte pencil and one metallic. So let's get started. Take a medium to dark pencil that works with your skin tone, and starting on the upper lash line, run the pencil from the middle of the lid, bringing it all the way to the outer edge of the eye. Now, if you feel comfortable, you can also apply this in between the lashes on the upper lash line too, and this will create more of an intense look. Now move to the inner corner and bring this line all the way along to meet in the middle. Again, you can push this in between the lashes, but only if you feel comfortable with that. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Take a pencil brush or a flat brush and start to smudge this out very slowly. Use short little movements working backwards and forwards just to warm up the liner and slowly start to bring this upwards. Once you have a little bit of movement, bring your hand a little bit higher so it's now in level with the middle of your face, and then keep doing those same little motions. Use whatever's left over just underneath the lower lashes. This is going to work as our base for underlighting. Now take a metallic eyeshadow or a pencil, and you're basically going to repeat the same process. We're layering over everything that we've already applied. We're going to slowly start to fade this upwards a little higher than we did with the previous shade. But less is more. Make sure the most pigment is right at the lash line. To find the top of your lid space, try looking in the mirror straight on and very lightly use the brush right at your crease. It'll create this little line that when you look downwards, you can then follow. So you're basically going to be working upwards towards this line. This is the height of your lid space. So only cover right to this point and then stop. Now to keep this simple, take your favorite contour or your bronzer as long as it's matte and start to apply this above everything else. This is just going to create a little bit more shape and structure. Now use that same metallic eyeliner and we're going to sweep this underneath the lower lashes. You can use a lip brush or a pencil brush for more control, or if you want, you can do what I'm doing, using my fingertips to almost push it between my lashes. It's gonna get onto my lower lash line and a little bit of my lower waterline, and I'm just pushing this into place. Now you want to apply a little extra just underneath the pupil. This is really going to help this come forward and brighten the eyes. Make sure you apply mascara after all of these steps because metallic flakes love holding on to lashes. So end with your mascara, it'll clean up everything and create a lot more of a sharp finish. Now you can add some false eyelashes if you want more of a dramatic evening look, or you can just keep it daytime with lots of mascara. Now I've used a bronze tone, but if you have blue eyes, you could try maybe a deep plum, green eyes, an aubergine maybe. But regardless of what shade you use, you want to make sure that the metallic flecks within that shadow or that pencil work with your skin tone. The best guide for that is to look at what shade of jewelry you like wearing and then just make sure that the metallic flecks work with that. But if you're not sure what's going to work with your eyes, just let me know your eye color and your undertone and I'll try and help. You can also use the matte eyeliner or even the metallic one on the waterline, and this will just really add that contrast and that glow. I have lots of more tips coming up soon, so bear with me, but if there's anything that you would like some help with, definitely let me know. And as always, my friends, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you in the next one.